start of our long journey to France for our holiday and to visit my family. It's about 7:20 now. We've been on the road for about half an hour, 40 minutes, driving up to Sydney. I'm going to drop the car at a friend's house, Graham's brother's house, and then we're going to get a taxi to the airport. We're flying out via Abu Dhabi and then Rome and then to Paris, and then we've got about a 4-hour drive once we get to Paris as well. So it's a super long journey, but we're really excited, can't wait. And we'll take you with us on the journey as we make our way to France. So we made it to Paris Charles de Gaulle airport. We left the airport and the route we normally take was really busy. So the sat nav has taken us off that route onto other roads, and we're actually now driving through the centre of Paris to get out to the south somehow. We don't know how we got here, we don't know where we are, but we are following the River Seine along its banks there, and we're going to cross it in a minute. So I'm going to keep filming and show you our little detour through Paris. I don't know if we'll see any landmarks. Honestly, I have no idea where we actually are, but yeah, we'll see what we see, and hopefully we'll make it to my mum's at some point today, and then I'll fill you in on the rest of the journey, because it's just been not the greatest journey. But we're here, we're in France, we're in our hire car after queuing for an hour to pick it up, and the car we booked wasn't there, so we've actually ended up with an upgrade, which was a bonus. And yeah, we're driving through Paris, so here's what we're seeing. Oh, there's the Alpha Tower in front! No way!
this way.
The Eiffel Tower is right in front of us.
We're about to go.
Turn right.
We're about to turn away from it. Oh. There's a sign for Orléans. We're heading in the right direction. Two kilometers to go. So close. We're so close. We've been traveling for 44 hours. 44 hours door to door, including our little trip around Paris, which was insane. But we're so close. The car's saying it's 34 degrees out there. And it's nearly 5 p.m. on Friday. So we left home about 6:30 on Thursday morning Australian time. It's now 5 p.m. French time on Friday. So yeah, it's about 44 hours, give or take. I don't know, I'm too tired to add it up properly, but something like that. But we are now 1.2 kilometers away